This small, juicy fruit could be the secret to better sleep, stronger immunity, and glowing skin. Have you ever heard of longan? It's a small, sweet fruit that looks a bit like lychee, but it has its own unique taste and amazing health benefits. Grown mostly in Asia, this fruit is packed with nutrients that can boost your health in surprising ways. Let's dive right into what makes longan so special. What is longan? Longan is a tropical fruit that grows on trees in countries like China, Thailand, and Vietnam. It has a thin brown shell, and inside is a soft, white, juicy flesh with a single black seed. People often eat it fresh, dried, or in teas and soups. In many Asian cultures, longan has been used for centuries, not just as food, but also as a natural remedy for various health issues. Nutritional value of longan. Longan is low in calories, but rich in nutrients. It contains vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system. It also has small amounts of potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure. Longan provides some fiber, aiding digestion, along with natural sugars that give you quick energy. Plus, it contains antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. Health benefits of longan. Eating longan can support your body in many ways. It may help calm your mind and improve sleep quality, making it useful for people who feel stressed or restless. The vitamin C in longan strengthens your immune system, helping your body fight off infections. Some studies suggest longan may support brain health and improve memory. It can also help with digestion due to its fiber content, and its antioxidants may promote healthier, glowing skin. Longan for energy and blood health. Longan is often used to fight fatigue and weakness. Its natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, making it a great snack when you're feeling tired. Additionally, some traditional medicine practices use longan to support healthy blood circulation and may help with mild cases of anemia due to its iron content. Side effects of longan. While longan is generally safe, eating too much can cause problems. Because it's high in natural sugar, overeating may spike blood sugar levels, which is a concern for people with diabetes. Some people might experience bloating or an upset stomach if they eat too many at once. It's also worth noting that longan seeds and skin should not be eaten, as they may cause digestive issues. As with any food, moderation is key. How to add longan to your diet. You can enjoy longan in several ways. Eat it fresh as a snack, add it to fruit salads, or dry it for a chewy treat. Many people also brew longan into a warm tea, especially during colder months, as it's believed to have warming properties in traditional medicine. So that's everything you need to know about longan, a small fruit with big health benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with someone who might enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.